Oil trades sideways on fears of slower demand. Deliver uncertainty. Singapore oil fees traded sideways on Friday after in short growing almost $1 in line with barrel, because the marketplace balanced fears of slower demand from cooling U.S. financial activity with deliver uncertainty. Brent crude futures were buying and selling down 5 cents, or 0.1%, at $110.00 a barrel with the aid of 0310 GMT, at the same time as U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures had been up 19 cents, or 0.2%, at $104.46 a barrel. Prices fell round 1.5% in the previous session. Crude futures slipped lower back into promote mode after U.S. production and services PMIs got here in nicely beneath expectations, together with a downswing in Germany's manufacturing data, said Stephen Innes, coping with accomplice at SPI Asset Management. Under those situations, better crude oil fees will become amazing touchy to any perceived or in any other case elevated deliver inputs, Innes stated, noting symptoms of Russian crude hitting the oil complicated and mounting pressure on OPEC to enhance output. OPEC and allied producing nations including Russia will probably persist with a plan for increased output will increase in August in hopes of easing crude costs and inflation as U.S. President Joe Biden plans to visit Saudi Arabia, assets mentioned. The organization called OPEC Plus agreed at its remaining assembly on June 2 to reinforce output by 648,000 barrels an afternoon in July, or 7% of global call for, and through the same quantity in August, up from the preliminary plan to feature 432,000 barrels in step with day a month over 3 months until September. However, the group has struggled to hit the month-to-month boom targets due to underinvestment in oil fields by means of a few OPEC contributors and, extra lately, losses in Russian output. Official weekly estimates for U.S. oil inventories have been scheduled to be released on Thursday, but technical troubles will put off the one's figures until subsequent week, the U.S. Energy Information Administration said, without giving a specific timeline.